हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन। हाउ टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश में आप सभी दोस्तों का एक बार फिर स्वागत। ओके फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू समथिंग अबाउट essay writing, but I am not going to focus exactly on how to write an essay. I am not just going to tell you the rules of essay writing. I in fact want to tell you the importance of essay writing for improving the language skill. You know, at the time of exam, by writing an essay you can get better marks than the other questions in the question paper. But I think it is not only because it takes much time than the other questions, but also, as I mentioned, that it is very, very important for improving the language skill. But unfortunately, the students at the time of exam learn it by heart and write it down in the same words given in the book. I want to tell you what happened when the students do something like that. Friends, no doubt it helps you to obtain good marks at the time of exam, but after the exam you forget gradually the big part of the essay. In this way it becomes useless for giving you a benefit in improving the language skill. Friends, essay writing is no doubt the most useful way of improving the language skill. But I am sure it is possible only if while reading an essay you can make out the points the writer wants to say. But if your aim is only to obtain good marks in your exam, but you have nothing to do with the points the writer wants to make in the essay, and you don't know even a little the meaning of the words, and you know nothing the methods have been used in the essay, I am sure it can do nothing for you. But if you are serious about your studies, if you want to learn it in actual, you must do your best to understand it. But friends, if you find it difficult to add or eliminate something to or from the essay, at least you should rewrite the essay in your own words and by using the different methods given in the book. But if you have a friend who can speak English, you should discuss on the topic initially in the same words, same points given in the book, but later in your own words and in your own points. I am sure soon you will find it easy to elaborate the topic and speak of the topic better than others. Okay friends, see you again with a new video.